Hey guys, sorry move day. Video was short. We're gonna throw a little clip of it in this video and then go on with the rest of the video. But thank you for watching. Just subscribe, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell.
Comment what you'd like to see next.
Yep, give us ideas.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Afternoon, guys. It's another move day. We are going back to Orlando. We didn't film anything about packing up the trailer because we've done that 2 times. We may show hooking the trailer up to all the connections and everything, but now it's just drive time. Got some snacks. Got a guinea. Got Brylan. Got the jelly bean.
Sorry I'm not so talkative. I'm driving. There's a trailer behind me.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I would be a little bit more chatty like yesterday's video, but hands on 10 and 2 ish.
Toothless does struggle to pull this trailer.
I wouldn't say struggle, but you definitely know there's something back there.
So it brings into question and everything. He keeps bringing up a new truck.
Again, comment what you think we should get. Get a Dodge Ram with the Cummins or get a Chevy with an Allison. Let us know down in the comments.
So girls did go to church with their grandparents, and Brylan got some things from her Nana for her birthday. Now we got them back.
Now they're stuck with us.
So it means Bailey gets to get tortured by sitting up front with Mommy and Daddy. Mommy's arm starts hurting. Did you have fun at Nana Papa's?
Yeah.
What about you, Linky?
I had great.
You had greatness. What about you, Dally?
Great.
You're just shoving your mouth full of chips?
And my GPS thinks I'm on that road over there when I'm on this road over here.
So
Struggles.
Bailey, what is your favorite thing about RVing?
That we can be closer to each other.
Yeah, we're pretty close.
Pretty close.
I mean, in the RV.
But you like the closeness.
He's in there.
Linky, what do you like being in an RV?
It's fun because, I mean, like, it does shake, but it's actually kind of fun because you, get to, like, every time, like with the house, you don't have to, like, move everywhere, but normally in RVs, you get to move everywhere, and that's mostly the fun part.
So you like being able to go to new places, but the house stays the same?
Mm-hmm.
That's Daddy's favorite part. What's your favorite part?
Oh God, there's a roundabout.
No.
Why is there a roundabout?
Yeah, I read and I want to sleep on the chair sometimes.
Okay.
Like today.
I love you.
I love you.
All right, people, ready for a roundabout with a 37-foot RV?
No.
Here comes some fun.
Nailed it.
Stop.
So we will update you more once we get to where we are. Maybe a short video today just because
Move day.
Move day. Let's see if we can make it through without maiming one another. See you there. Hey guys. So today we're going to be making meatballs and rice, one of our favorite little dinners that my mother-in-law makes, but I kind of put my own wing to it. Kitchen is messy because kids made their lunch and did not clean up, so I'm gonna have to clean that up as I'm getting things prepared. Sorry we haven't posted a bunch with the move, because we had to move again and didn't know where we were going. Everything got hectic. I got sick. Wasn't feeling that great. I haven't really been feeling that great. I get headaches, so I get really bad migraines. That puts me down for the show. So we're gonna make this dinner. What you're gonna need is a bowl, two pounds of meat.
All of our family.
We got 2 pounds of hamburger, or it's ground chuck. It's not as oily.
Juice.
Ew. Fortunately, I do not have paper towels because the girls decided to play with them. I use a Lipton soup mix. I'm not sure if this is the beefy onion soup mix or it's just the onion soup mix. It smells like the beefy onion. But I put this in here, and then a little bit of some minced onions. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of those in there. We're going to get an egg.
I just need one egg.
A little egg in there. I don't have exact measurements. I kind of just wing it.
And it's kind of like meat that's in your mouth.
Excuse the squeaking. Mr. Guinea Pig is saying,
Mr. Marshmallow. Some more.
Mr. Stitch,
Marshmallow.
seeing that we are cooking. Yes, I know I can sit there and get my hand in there and mix it, but I really don't want to do that. Yes, it would probably get stirred in better. I am nowhere near a great cook, but everything I seem to put in my family, they eat. So we're gonna make these. My daughter is going to roll them. That's her favorite part.
Yes. It's
So
the best part.
So we do this meatballs and rice quite frequently. Try not to, because one of my kids will throw a fit and not eat, even though she'll eat it for her Nana. Now sometimes you may need to add another soup mix, but I think we are good. Now we're gonna have Bailey roll these. I'm gonna get my Ninja set up to where we can do that. So my Ninja doesn't get super oily. I'm gonna put a layer of aluminum foil over it just to help it, because it's kind of hard to clean up oil. I would rather do it in there, but I can't get that to stay at the same temperature. Who knows, we may end up using that. So we're gonna get Bailey rolling these meatballs. I may throw in a little clip of her rolling the meatballs, but let's get cooking. So, Cam just got called to do another call. He is on call this week. He's on call about twice a month. Once on the weekend, once during the week. During our move, we did have some. We ended up going on a route we've never been on before, and a lot of things fell. I had the cast iron on the counters because it's never moved before, along with my ice machine because it never moves because it has the grips. Well, it fell because we hit some big bumps, and so my ice machine is broken. The carafe, so the Keurig handle's been snapped off. We had a bottle of wine that was in the fridge, but I pulled it out because we ran out of room. I put it on the floor because I didn't think it would get broken. Nope. Shattered. So, it's a little messier than I wanted, so I cleaned up a little bit. Fixing to get the Keurig back up here. Fixing to do the rice, get the rice in there, and then show you guys that. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make the sauce real quick. So what you're going to need is some grape jelly. A whole thing. That's, normally you would use the 32, but apparently I only got the 30 from Sam's Club. So, pop this bad boy open. All of it. It's just shaky. I need a little spatula. Got my Pioneer Woman spatulas.
She basically got it clearance.
Got it in the clearance aisle for $7. $7.
Seems like $9.
It came out to $7 because sometimes they go through and in the system they'll mark them a different price than what they have in the actual on the sticker. So always take your little Walmart app and scan that at Walmart when it's on clearance, or even if it's not on clearance, it may be a hidden clearance. So watch for that. So you're also going to need some chili sauce. Turn this back on. I'll turn it down. So you wait until this jelly separates, or not separates, the jelly basically melts. It becomes soupy sauce along with the chili sauce. Now, I don't know if anybody out there remembers the ketchup bottles that came like this, where it was a pain in the tuchus to get everything out. Basically, I had to shake it, slap it on the bottom. Now I just kind of act like I'm going to throw it.
Got me.
And didn't really. It was perfect. You're not gonna get everything. Unless you had a very, very little spatula. So I'm gonna leave it sitting on the counter, upside down. So if anything does come down, I will add it later. Just give it a little more taste. Meatballs are done, rice is done. Normally I cook this while I'm cooking all that, but sometimes I don't, just because depending on the freaking meatballs, they take time. And so can the rice. But I use my Instapot for the rice. So, but
I'm sleeping there.
make sure. Now I gotta clean up my floor. And again, sit there, leave it on the counter. Silly. And now, heat it on a medium-high heat. And stir it until everything becomes one thing. I've been thinking about doubling the sauce recipe because sometimes there's not enough sauce and we're overabundant of meatballs because I have to make so many meatballs because some people eat like 6 to 10 meatballs. Yeah, well, she eats quite a bit. So I will show you what this looks like after it's done. So this is what it looks like as it's cooking down. So from this to this, it's gonna be so good. Now we're gonna add the meatballs, and then I'll show you what it looks like all put together with the rice. And this is what it looks like. I cannot wait to eat some of this.
Thank you guys for watching. Please click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and click the notification bell so I can bring more of these videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!